Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my online learning program Shikshit Bharat. My name is Aditya Sharma. Today I will take you to the trip of 7 wonders of the world. 7 wonders of the world refers to the remarkable constructions made by human or nature. These wonders are listed by the popular guidebooks or sightseers. 7 is the thought to be a number for representation of perfection and plenty. 7 wonders resembles ancient civilization in that time. New 7 wonders has defined from time to time. 7 wonders of ancient world, that is 484 to 305 BCE. 7 wonders of medieval world, that is 19th to 20th century. 7 wonders of modern world, that is 21st century, which is going on. Next is wonders of modern world. Now, Wonders of the New World was announced in July and date was 7 July 2007. Now, as you can see, July is 7 month, date is 7, year was 2007. So, everything is under 7. So, 7/7/2007. So, on number 1 we have Great Wall of China. Yes, let me tell you one thing. These ranks were given on this date. So, now today's rank after 13 years. Today's rank I'll tell you at the end of the session. Okay. So on number 1, that is Great Wall of China, and it is in China. Second is Petra, it's in Jordan. Christ the Redeemer, it's in Brazil. Machu Picchu, Peru. Chichen Itza, Mexico. Colosseum, Italy. Taj Mahal, India. This list of wonders were announced by New 7 Wonders Foundation in Switzerland. Now on number 7, that was Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is located in Agra, India, as we all know. It was built in 1632 to 1653. So it took 21 years. It was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the memory of his third wife Mumtaz Mahal. The Taj Mahal is widely recognized as the jewel of Muslim art in India. On number 6, that is Colosseum. Colosseum, it is in Italy. The construction began under Empire Vespasian. It's a kind of sports stadium. Its capacity is 50,000 spectators. Gory games involving gladiators, wild animals and prisoners were held there in ancient times. Famous designs of the Colosseum still resembles in modern stadium. Now, next is Chichen Itza. Chichen Itza, it's in Mexico. This is the most famous temple of Mayas. It was the political and religious center of Maya civilization during 750 to 1200 AD. This is the temple of Kukulkan, where the city's heart lies, rises to a height of 79 feet. Now, there is a very interesting fact about it. I'll tell you now. There are 91 steps in each side of its 4 sides. One step for one day of the year. 365th day of the year represents the top platform. It means we have 4 sides, 91 steps each on every side. Okay, so 91 into 4, that is 364. When you reach on the top, that will be 365th day. Okay, that is very interesting fact about it. Next is Machu Picchu. So what is Machu Picchu? An ancient Incan city 2340 meter above sea level, dating to the 15th century, containing palaces, baths, temple and houses. It was one of the greatest Incan structural achievements. Made from stone, placed so exactly that no mortar used to keep it together. Believed it to be used for spiritual and astronomical purposes. On number 3, that is Christ the Redeemer. It's in Brazil. It is in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Christ the Redeemer is 130 feet tall, second highest Art Deco statue in the world. It is a symbol of Christianity. Now here, if you can see, it is written second highest decor art statue. It is the list was made in 2007, and we have a statue in our country as well, that is Statue of Unity. So it might be changed. It's not now second highest. Statue has become an icon of Rio in Brazil. It has made of reinforced concrete and soapstone. Now on number 2 it's Petra. Petra is in Jordan. Perched on the edge of Arabian desert, Petra was the capital of Nebetokon kingdom. Petra is famous for many of its stone structures, such as a temple carved with classical facades into rose-colored rock. Now, on number 1 that is Great Wall of China. Now we all have heard about it, Great Wall of China. It is in China. Was built along China's northern border over many centuries. It was to keep out Mongol tribes. Constructed between 5th century to 16th century BC. Great Wall is the world's largest human-made structure. It is stretching some 4,000 miles. So that's it. That was 7 wonders of the world. Now as I told you, I'll tell you the new list of the wonders. So here's the list. So latest ranking is here. When you see on number 1 it is Taj Mahal. Okay, it's a 94 points. On number 2 it's Chichen Itza, Mexico, 92 points. Number 3 Machu Picchu. Number 4 the Colosseum. Number 5 Great Wall of China. Number 6 Christ the Redeemer. Number 7 Petra. Okay, now on the base of this I'll ask you some questions. Okay, so you can see the questions. Okay, question 1 is, which among the following does not belong to 7 wonders of the world? Options are here, you can see. So there are 5 questions. Okay, you can see one by one. You can pause it, you can pause the video, you can see one by one, and you can answer in the comment section. Okay, so thank you all, have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.